In this lesson, we will take a Node.js application written in TypeScript, compile it on the fly to JavaScript using VS Code build tasks, and then debug the TypeScript source code in VS Code. Let's go. We start off with an empty directory, initialize a new package.json, and then install TypeScript. Now once TypeScript installation is complete, we use the install TypeScript compiler to create a new tsconfig. Now a key option to enable is source map, which allows us to debug the TypeScript source code from the generated JavaScript. All our TypeScript source code will be under the source folder, and our output JavaScript will be in the lib folder. With the tsconfig file created, we go ahead and open up this project folder within VS Code. Next, we will go ahead and create our main application entry point under source index.ts. Now we will go ahead and create a very simple sample application where we have a count, and then we set up an interval to go ahead and log out this count and increment it after every second. Now the first thing that we need to do is to compile this TypeScript to JavaScript on the fly using VS Code. We go ahead and configure a default build task and then select TSC watch. This creates a tasks.json file under the .vs code directory, which we can commit to our source control. Now press Command-Shift-B to go ahead and run the build task, and you will see the output in the terminal. The build task will continue to run in the background, and we can go ahead and close the terminal panel. Now the next step is to go ahead and launch and debug the build JavaScript application. For that, we head on over to the Run and Debug panel in the sidebar and click Create a Launch.json file. We will be launching this application using Node.js, so go ahead and select that. This creates a Launch.json file under the .vs code folder. Once more, we can commit it to our source control. Now notice that our build application is under the lib folder as index.js. So we go ahead and fix the path to our program to be libindex.js. And that's the end of the configuration, so we can go ahead and close the configuration files. Now in order to debug our application, we'll go ahead and set up a breakpoint within setinterval. Now in order to debug our application, we can launch it from the Run and Debug using the play button or press F5. Now if any of the portions of our code execute where we have set up a breakpoint, VS Code will pause the program execution and give us the opportunity to observe the state of our application, as well as a toolbar to continue or abort the program execution. We can also hover over any of the variables within our source code to observe the current value. To continue the execution of a program, we can press F5 or click the continue button. Any log statements within our source code will get piped to the debug console panel. We press the continue button a few times to observe the behavior of our application, and once we are happy to stop the application from executing any further, we can go ahead and click the stop button or press Shift F5. Now we still have the TSC watch build task running in the background as indicated by the build icon in the status bar. So we can go ahead and make any modifications to our TypeScript source code. For example, move the count increment into a separate line. Now TypeScript will go ahead and compile this TS to a JS file in the background. And now we can press F5 again to go ahead and start debugging this modified program. Now whenever your application is paused at a breakpoint, you can use the step over command to go statement by statement to debug your application. And that's all for this lesson on using VS Code to compile and debug your TypeScript Node.js application. As always, thanks for watching. Smash that like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next one.